Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Cancer yan. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancer yan ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik digdig umapaw na biyaya ang ibalik sa inyo. So guys, umpisa na natin ang laban for the sign of Cancer yan. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ka ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Cancerian, Archangel Michael. Use your imagination when you see the answer, no? Gamitan mo raw yung intuitions mo para malaman mo ang kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo, no? And of course, a favorable outcome. So, papabor talaga sa'yo ang kalalabasan ng eksena na to, no? Magiging maganda na ang takbo o daloy ng eksena mo, no? Additional messages. Archangel Michael, give me information. Okay. Archangel Michael, give me information. Okay, positive thoughts create a positive outcome. So, ibig sabihin, always think positive. And of course, eternal love. So, mayroon ditong everlasting promises. Meron talaga pang matagalan, T. So, let's see. Paano natin siya i-elaborate? Paano natin siya hihimay-himayin? Angel Spirit Guide, please give me the information. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian? So, there is an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big opportunities and big money coming in for you. May bagong oportunidad at bagong pasabog, no? And of course, there is an Empress card, a river. So, muling bubuhayin ang katawan lupa mo dito. Parang, pagkatapos mong malugmok or something, pagkatapos mong dumaan sa mga pagsubok at kalugmukan at paghihirap. So, this is it. Babangon kang muli. Ganon. Bangon Pilipinas. Ganon siya, T. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there's a 10 of Wands, there's a lot of obligations or responsibilities. So, this is the moment na kumbaga makakaalis ka sa situations. And there's a relocations. And of course, there's a 3 of Cups. There's a celebration. And of course, there's a 7 of Pentacles. There's harvest time. Wow. And of course, there is a 10 of Pentacles. A long-term success and long-term investment. A solid foundation. And solid investment. So, let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles. There's an Ace of Cups. Wow! My God, talagang papabor talaga sa'yo. Kasi pag talaga sa finances, pasabog. Pagdating sa love life, pasabog, T. What is the Empress card? What is the Empress card? There is a Queen of Cups. Healing. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, no? In all aspects. So, what is the 10 of Wands? What is the 10 of Wands? So, there is a Knight of Cups. There's an offer, proposal, engagement. No? Talaga may offer na relocations. And of course, there's a Strength card. There's a confidence. So, kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence even na pinag-uusapan ka behind your back. Marami namang marites dyan. Pero this is it. Magkaroon ka ng confidence na dead ma ako sa inyo. No? Hindi kayo hindi kayo ang bumubuhay sa akin. Ganon. And of course, there is a 6 of Wands. There's a victory and success. No? Magtatagumpay ka na. At this is harvest time, no? 6 of Wands is a victory and success. So, magtatagumpay ka na sa larangan na ginagawa mo sa negosyo, no? And because there is a 4 of Wands. So, there's a long-term success and long-term investment with a long-term relationship. There's a wedding, engagement, homecoming. There's a twin flame energy. What is the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups? There's a karma. Oh my God, there's a good karma for you. So what is the Empress card? There's the Sun card. Empress card and the Queen of Cups. There's an Empress, there's the Sun card. So magkakaroon ka ng pure positive outcome dito. Oh my God, this is it na nga. So what is the 10 of Wands and the 9 of Cups? So there is an 8 of Cups. So let go, no? Deadma. Yun yung sinasabi ko na kailangan mo i-deadma sila. Di sila fresh, ganon. There's a Knight of Swords, there's a success driven, no? And the King of Swords, sorry. There's being wise and maging matalino at maging wise, no, sa pagdidesisyon. So, there's a Seven of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. So, there's Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. So, you are also protected and protectionan mo yung grounds mo, no? Protectionan mo yung sarili mo. Diba? Kasi this is the moment of harvest time. Baka maagaw nila. Diba, Charis? Hindi naman. So, kumbaga makukuha mo na yung what you deserve. Kasi nandito na sa, kumbaga na sa cycle of karma ka. So, let's see what is the 10 of Pentacles and the 4 of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, hindi sa lahat ng oras, nasa baba ka. Iaangat ka niya sa mga panahong akala mo wala ng pag-asa. And of course, there's a 6 of Cups. There's a past person coming back. So, some of you there's a past relationship or there's a reconciliation and there's a reunion, no? May pagbabalikan dito. And of course, there's a King of Pentacles. There's a security about sa finances. And of course, there's a magician. There's a manifestation and you are also a manipulator, no? Ikaw yung magmamanipulate ng eksena na to. Ikaw ang gagawa na to. And you are also a creator. And because there's a high priestess, kumbaga, ay higher friend, sorry, there's a higher friend. There's a lesson learned. Matuto ka na sa mga bagay or situation na nangyari sa'yo from the past. And because there's a Four of Swords, kumbaga, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feelings. Na makikinig ka lagi sa iyong intuition, sa iyong gut feeling. No? Kumbaga, diyan ka dadalhin ni God sa mga bagay-bagay na alam niya makakatulong sa'yo. It is a good karma for you. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Oh my God, ayaw niya tayo. Let's see. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There's epiphany, breakthrough, magtatagumpay ka talaga. And of course, there's a family, there's an home and commitment. No, may family eksena talaga dito ng kumbaga magtatagumpay kayo with your family. And of course, there's a memory. So talaga ang dami niyo pinagdaanan, no? From the past. So let's see what is Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? There's a seduction. Some of you kumbaga attracted ka. And of course, there's an addiction. Some of you, kumbaga, iwasan nyo pagkakaroon ng obsession sa isang bagay or sa isang situation. Kasi yung nagbibigay ng blockages. And of course, there's a dragonfly. There's a nihil. And of course, this coming to the light. Na magkakaroon ka na ng kaliwanagan. At kumbaga, magkakaroon ka rin ng kagalingan sa lahat ng aspeto, no? Eternal love, meron ka talagang, kumbaga, love life ka dito, no? Kabog. So, let's see what is the chakra. There's a confusion. Some of you maaaring naguguluhan ka or something, magulo yung isip mo, magulo yung eksena mo. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo magdasal. And of course, there's a perception. So, baguhin mo yung mindset mo. And of course, there's a faith. Magtiwala ka sa process and progress. Magtiwala ka kay God. No, yung mga bagay na nakukuha mo ngayon, kumbaga deserve mo yan. Kailangan mo lang talagang bigyan ng pansin ang mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo. And because there is a wisdom, na meron kang mabusilak na puso at mayroon kang talagang kabutihan. So, let's see what is additional energy. There is a financial constraint. So, some of you nagkakaroon ng problema about sa finances. Kung baga sinasabi sa inyo, ito na yung time na magkakaroon ka na ng recovery, no? Makaka-recover ka na unti-unti. And of course, there's a second chakra archangel Ariel about sa finances, no? And of course, there's a happy family. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng masayang pamilya dito. Double clarification na family, ha? Talaga magkakaroon ka ng happy family dito. So, let's see what is additional messages. Angels messages. There is a dolphin, kumbaga there's an happiness na magkakaroon ka ng kaligayahan dito. Kumbaga maging maligaya ka kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, no? And of course, there's a transmutation or purification, paglilinis, no? May mga bagay na kailangan linisin, alisin, no? And of course, there's an awakening. This is the moment na kailangan mo magising sa katotohanan or there's a renewal, no? Magkaroon ng panibagong eksena. And of course, there's an astral travel. Some of you may kakayanan kang there's an astral information, no? Vital force, or dream time soul travel. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a creative expression. Kumbaga, palawakin ang kaalaman mo, yung imahinasyon mo, no? Magagamit mo yan. And of course, there's a trust. Magtiwala ka sa trust. Magtiwala ka sa trust. Magtiwala ka sa ating poong may kapal, no? There's a trust. Oh my God, bakit magtiwala ka sa trust? Pasabog yun. So, let's see what is the Montology. You are good enough, no? Sinasabi dito na sapat ka na daw, no? At talagang, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, papabor sa'yo yan. Kumbaga, maayos naman at of course, talagang okay ka naman, no? Sapat ka na, wala nga nang kulang sa'yo. And of course, hold your visions, no? Panghawakan mo yung instinct, intuitions, and of course, inner voice, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Raphael. Fresh air. So, kailangan mo ng sariwang hangin na makakatulong sa'yo para huminga ka ng malalim. Ganon! Hingang malalim. Angel Spirit Messages. There's an envy. So, yung egos mo, alisin mo yan. Kasi may mga kanya-kanya tayong challenges. Alisin mo yung pag-i-emote-emote mong ganyan. There's a self-esteem, no? Palakasin ang self-esteem mo, no? There's a beneficial for your soul. So, what is additional messages? There's a trust the timing. See? There's a trust talaga. Magtiwala ka sa kung ano man ang kaganapan sa buhay mo, ibibigay sa'yo yan. In the right time, in the divine perfect timing. So, let's see what is a Jesus loving quotes. What is a Jesus loving quote? So what things soever you desire, when you pray, believing that you will receive them and you shall have them. So ibig sabihin dito, lahat daw ng mga bagay na hinahangad mo at gusto mong makuha ay magdasal mo at ipagdasal mo, magtiwala ka makukuha mo yan, no? At magkakaroon ka niyan kapag ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 222, I am a balance. So, yun yung kailangan mo. Maging balance ka. Trust, the seeds of your thoughts are growing as you are nourishing them with words, feeling, and action. See? There's a trust talaga. No? Nakasang energy na magtiwala ka at maniwala ka. No? Maniwala ka. Char. Messages of life. What is the messages of life? There's a oh my God! There's a trusting! Oh my God! O, diba? Masabog. Gigigil ako, ha? Gusto niya talaga sabihin na there's a trust. No? Today, I trust in God. No matter what happened as my date unfold, I will remember to remain in a harmony. I will maintain my sense of humor. I will keep my focus on God. Love for me in this way. I will minimize drama, increase my inner spiritual strength. Diba? Diba, no more drama, wala nang hanash-hanash. Magtiwala ka kay Ama. Ganon. Diba? There's a trust talaga. Pasabog to. Maraming salamat po Archangel Michael for your messages. This is a Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Cancerian. Maraming salamat po Cancerian for your wonderful reading. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sambog support sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush. Trust!